I think it's nice that we share the same sky. I look up to the sky, and if I can see the sun, I think about the fact that we can both see the sun. So, even though we're not actually together, we kind of are in a way. Like we're both underneath the same sky. So, kind of together. That script from the movie After Sun really gave me comfort. I think we all have someone that we miss, people that we met, maybe a friend from childhood, our parents from home, or a teacher from middle school. It could be anyone that remains in our memory. And for instance, we can't do anything about not being together. Maybe someday we'll be together again. But for now, I think it's nice to think that we share the same sky with these people. People who used to bring us smiles and still do. People whose eyes lit up when they saw us. Those people who genuinely felt us and stay with us even though we're not in the same place anymore. At least we share the same sky with them. By the way, I kinda like it when the sky gets gloomy. I don't know why, but when the sky is gloomy, I think it's trying to tell me that even the sky itself gets gloomy and sometimes rages. So I think it's okay to be sad sometimes. You don't have to feel bad about it, because even the sky, there are times that it shows its sad nature, and eventually the next day or the next days, it brightens up again.